guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Brandy Ego, and if this is your first time of joining in, thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, encourage a new YouTuber. Thank you so much.
It's my lazy.
In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 4 best vitamin C body lotions to try out. Yes, I finally decided to give you guys tips about skincare, both for your face and for your body. Yes, talking about acne, pigmentation. Yes, and I'll be kind enough to share products that are really good in treating those. But for now, I'm going to be talking about your body and the right products to use on your body. So it's going to be like a series. So do very well to turn on your post notification so that anytime I post new contents, you'll be able to follow this series accordingly. Yes, you shouldn't miss out, because this is a nice opportunity for you to get to know the right products to get. It's not about going to the market to get just any products and use on your skin. Girl, this is 2022 and you should be using the right products on your skin. You should use products that your skin is going to thank you for in years to come, not just any products. Because right now you see a lot of vendors selling different products that they did not learn about, products that are not even safe for the skin. And you see people talking about, I'm getting stretch marks, I'm getting dark knuckles, I'm getting this, I'm getting that. It's all as a result of using products that are not safe for your skin. So yes, what my vlog is going to be about in this series is going to be helpful and enlightening to know the kind of products that you should use and the kind of products you should stay far away from. Yes, so on today's episode, I'm going to be reviewing 4 best vitamin C body lotions that you should really try out. I totally recommend these ones. Yes. Now, the first lotion we're going to be talking about is the Medix 5.5 vitamin C plus turmeric body lotion. Yes, I know a lot of you must have heard about this one. Now, this isn't overhyped because it contains key ingredients that can help with anti-aging, helps to firm up your skin, helps to brighten up your skin, gives you that flawless, even glowing skin tone. And yes, it does not give knuckles. So yes, if I would recommend any lotion you should try out for any skin type, it has to be Medix 5.5 vitamin C plus turmeric body lotion. And yes, it is budget friendly and it could last you up to a month. Now, the next product I'll be talking about is Naturewell Vitamin C body lotion. Yes, reviews on these products are really amazing. It gives you that radiant, healthy looking skin. Gone are days where girls use harsh chemical products on their skin. Right now, you shouldn't be using anything that contains harsh chemicals that could damage your skin. You should use products that are safe for your skin. Yes, and with Naturewell Vitamin C body lotion, you get visible results in 2 weeks. You get that glowing, subtle, radiant, healthy looking skin by using this product, and I'll totally recommend it for any skin type, definitely. Next is the Advanced Clinicals Vitamin C body lotion. You see this product that I've mentioned, they're actually gang. Yes, they are budget friendly and they can last you up to a month depending on how you use them. They're actually good. They contain safe ingredients and yes, can be used by any age group. The Advanced Clinical Vitamin C lotion gives you that radiant, glowing skin tone. Yes, and it firms your skin and gives you a youthful look. So I'll totally recommend it, and it's budget friendly. I feel like I've said it several times. In Nigeria, I think it goes for, using Nigerian currency, it goes for about 10,500 naira. So yes, it's quite affordable and you should try it. Now, the last but not the least on this episode is the Dr. Teals Vitamin C body lotion. Like, who doesn't know Dr. Teals? Dr. Teals is like that very famous friend that you have that everybody know. Dr. Teals is everywhere. And yes, why? It takes a very good skincare product to get that much review. Yes, for a lot of people to talk about it, for a lot of people to know about it. And yes, I'll totally recommend Dr. Teals for anyone, definitely. Be you a student, be you a worker, dark skin, light skin, you just want to maintain your skincare, your skin color, then you should try out Dr. Teals because it's really nice, no doubt. Yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notification. Yes, and please leave a comment on what you'd like me to talk about. Yes, if you have questions, be free, leave a comment and I'll respond to them definitely. And I'll be giving you guys different series, like I said in the start of the video, different series on your skin type, about the right products to use, the right product not to use, the right products to use and what not to use. So please guys, we come to the end of the video. See you next time. Love you. Mwah.